Man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Appreciate y'all for hitting that subscribe button, man. So yeah, man. So we today, guys, we went on ahead and got some merch done today. I will be announcing the winner on. Matter of fact, I'm gonna announce the winner on the end of this video, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Yes, we already have a winner for the steering wheel. I appreciate y'all for subscribing to my YouTube channel and everything, guys. But as of right now, I want to show y'all what happened to my rim, man, on my way leaving out the complex where I go and get my merch done at. I want to go ahead and show y'all what happened, guys. See it, man. Big scrapage on that rim, man. That's crazy, dude. And the reason how I got it, because I was trying to go, okay, in the complex, it's got speed bumps on the road. Y'all know what speed bumps look like. So when I was going, one tire was going in the middle. You know the little crease that has like a middle part that don't have the speed bump? So I went through it. One tire had hit it. One rim hit the other speed bump. And I thought I was in the clear, but when I heard it, I was like, fuck. It was already done. So yeah, man, so kind of sucks, man, but it's all good, man. So what I'm gonna do is paint it back black real quick. It's a easy fix, man. That's what I'm gonna do, just paint over it. Thank God it's not the whole rim, because that would have been crazy, but it's just that little spot. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and paint it real quick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go with that, man. So I appreciate y'all, man, for tuning in my videos. Appreciate y'all for showing me love and everything, man. Like I said, will be some things coming for that truck, so y'all stay tuned. And man, let me check this tire, man. Okay, we got air in there. I guess the way it's sitting, it just look like it's low. All of them look like they low, but they good. So yeah, man, I got masks. I will be posting some pictures at the end of this video. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these masks, man. I will be selling 10 of them for now, until, you know, I want to see if they're gonna sell first. I want to see if y'all gonna show love and support, and buy some merch from me, man. So I don't have a website just yet. I will be putting up a website later on. I did create a Facebook yesterday. My wife did. So I will be giving y'all that information as well, so y'all can follow me on Facebook. And damn, look at that. Y'all better hide them kitty cats, man. Telling y'all. No, man, I love them. I love Hellcats, man. I'm just trying to make a good day and laugh, man. That's all I'm trying to do. But yeah, man. Yeah, I installed that on the other video. So if y'all haven't seen that video, man, y'all make sure y'all go check that out. But yeah, man, this is crazy. First nick on the rim, man, since I had them. I had them on here for almost a year. I felt embarrassed, man, when I did it. Crazy. I felt very embarrassed, man, but we're gonna take care of that right now. So I'm gonna show y'all once I finish on how it looks and everything. And like I said, I'm gonna post some pictures of how the face mask look. It's pretty much got my logo on it. And yeah, man, that's gonna be it, man. So I got red and black so far for now. And then, you know, once I start getting orders in, I'll change the colors up for y'all. You know, if y'all want a different color, y'all just comment down below and let me know what color y'all want. That way I can go ahead and get y'all that color, man. But I will be doing shirts too, man. So y'all just be patient. I will be doing shirts. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all and everything, man. This is King's Life checking out with another video, and I'm gonna see y'all when I finish painting this rim, man. How I tape everything up. So I just taped this little spot up because I don't want to get any overspray on the rest of the rim. So I just left this little area that is messed up, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint that real quick so y'all can see what it's gonna look like after. All right. look bad at all. Don't look bad at all, man. And this is the paint that I use to do things like this. I make sure I use the Rust-Oleum. That way it won't rust after you paint it. Because sometimes when you paint it, like with a regular paint, like later on in the week or 2 weeks down the line, you'll start seeing it rust a little bit. Especially when you start driving in the rain and that water hit it, it's going to pretty much take off that old paint and it's going to start rusting on there. So it's always good to use the Rust-Oleum paint, stop rust. And it's got gloss already in there. So for now, man, we already put 2 coats on there. I'm just going to let that dry. And yeah, man, I think that's going to be it for now. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave the 2 coats on there. I think that's plenty. And then yeah, man, so that's gonna be it for this video, man. Just make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, man. Give me a thumbs up, man, if you like this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think, man, about the about my merch, man, and everything. Let me know what kind of colors you think I should go with. I'm thinking about going with white too as well. We got black and red for now, guys. We got black and red. So if you guys want a black one or a red one, just let me know. The black mask will have like red, the letters and stuff, my logo and all that. And then the red mask will have the black YouTube logo and all that great stuff. So that's what we got for now, guys. And then also, I'm gonna go ahead and start my my King's Life juice. Yeah, I'm making my own King's Life juice. So I'll let y'all know when I'm gonna start that, guys. I will be doing that for the car meets and stuff. So I will be selling them. I'll also on the mask, I will be listing the prices as well on my Instagram. So if you want to follow me on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me on what is it, at Kings _Life 2019. Kings_Life 2019, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on there as well. That way y'all be notified on anything I do before YouTube, man. So go ahead and look me up, go ahead and follow me on there, and you'll be good to go, man. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I appreciate y'all for tuning in and everything, man. Appreciate the love and support, and I'll check back with y'all in the next video. Peace. Almost forgot, man. Robert Mayers, man, you are the winner of this giveaway. Send me something, man. Send me your send me some kind of phone number or something that I can contact you with on my Instagram. My Instagram is Kings_Life 2019. Go ahead and do that, man. That way we can go ahead and get you this giveaway, man. So yeah, that's my neighbor back there acting crazy back there with that Silverado, man. That thing clean too. But yeah, man, go ahead and hit me up, man. That way I can go ahead and get this sent out to you, man. I really appreciate your love and support, man. Subscribing to my YouTube channel, and man, we're just gonna keep growing, man. I appreciate you, and yeah, go ahead and do that, man. It's at Kings_Life 2019 on Instagram. Give me a holler, man. That way we can go ahead and get this shipped out to you, man. All right. I got some sweat in my eyes, man. So I'm looking kind of weird, but I appreciate y'all. See y'all in the next video.